everybody. This is the, what was it, Caribbean Escape. This is going to be known as my zeolite, my Atlantean zeolite crystal bath bomb. My other one is the hematite gemstone. You can see it has the beautiful sparklies in it. That's the micas. That was just a splash of water. So now we have a nice clean bathtub. That other bath bomb, even though it made a mess, it's still cleaned out quite easily. And I think it had to do with me having some residual on my tub. I didn't wash it first, so that was just sticking to the tub. So anyways, I'm going to take this one here and try to pick it up without making a bloody mess all over myself. And this is my first attempt at the bath bombs. The red one was actually the second one. Oh, we got a little bit of spillage. But here's the bath bomb. It's falling apart because they haven't had their 24 hours to dry yet. I just wanted to see if they're going to be usable. As far as dye was concerned, nothing sticking. Look at that. This is the Caribbean Escape. I just want to shake off the Kleenex. Put that somewhere where I'm not going to make a mess on myself. Okay, so far so good. I have a feeling this is going to be my favorite. So I'm going to start it here and just sort of trail along. Okay, so it sinks, but it's foaming all right. Could foam better, but my first try, I think that's okay. Doing good here. We get to see how the water's changing colors. This is a nice Mediterranean colors that I love so much, and that reminds me of the Atlantis, the time of Atlantis when the waters were pure and clean. Okay, I'm gonna let that fizzle out, and I like the fact that it's still fizzing. And if you could smell through television, you would smell Caribbean Escape, and it's a mixture of sort of like a light banana, coconut, and some other type of sweet smell. Now look at that. Look at the water. It is gorgeous. These are my business colors. It's the bluey green with the cream. This is my favorite. This is the zeolite, Atlantean zeolite gems or crystal. Atlantean zeolite crystal bath bomb. Look at that. Look at the different colors. So we got the light green here. Never even planned that. That just happened. The deep dark Mediterranean bluey green, and then you have over here the deep Mediterranean colors. This is absolutely gorgeous. What do you think, Willow? Why don't you come and look? Look in the tub. Come and look in here. Look. And it's still fizzing, so that's a good sign. Usually well, I would imagine they want them to fizzle out, take a while to fizzle out, kind of like a little spa. But I'm just going to back up a bit and look at the tub. It's gorgeous. I'm quite pleased with this. The smell in here is absolutely awesome. If I was laying in this bath water right now, I would be thoroughly enjoying the aroma. And then the soft skin softening properties. Also, the zeolite crystal is akin to quartz crystal. So the properties for quartz crystal is similar to the zeolite. So you're going to receive the high benefits of the high vibration of quartz crystal, which clears, transmutes, and helps to pull in higher vibrational energies. Look at the water, it's so cool. I'm actually surprised how long that's taking. That is super awesome. I just want to grab the piece. There it is there. Look at that little guy. Let's just throw him around a little bit. He sinks to the bottom. Now I know there's, well no, I guess he comes back up. Okay, we're good. So here we got this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now look close, people. Look at the mica. Look at the sparklies. Willow, what do you think? Do you smell? Doesn't that smell wonderful? Do you want to get in there? You want to eat it? Does that smell good? Look at that, babe. Look. Oh, that was the end piece. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous water. And I'm going to mix it all up. It's not even totally going to the edges yet, which to me is kind of a freaky kind of thing. Oh my. Look at that. Let's just see. Look at the sparkles. Look at the sparkles in there. The micas. And it's not sticking to the hand. Well, it was because I had the biggest chunk, but once it thins out with the water, look at that. That's so cool. Shit! I didn't mean to push that. Now I got a second video I have to put together. Here's the other one, the results. I want to do this. Mix it together. Look at that sparkly bathtub. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you imagine soaking in the Mediterranean right there? Or the Atlantic Ocean. Maybe look at that water. I don't think I'll put you in there because your hair might die. But there, yep, nothing on the hair. And it's sticking a little on the sides. Again, that was, I think I put the ratio of too much oil. But look at this deep, deep color. Just, it doesn't even stick. We are golden. Look. And look at the color. You don't want to lick it though. No. Smells wonderful, looks wonderful. Oh yeah, that's a winner right there. Little bit of oil, but people can just wash their tub. Just a little bit of soapy water, and you're good. Hey babe, you want to get in there? Are you wanting to get in the tub? Look at you standing up all pretty. You want to get in there, I know. You want to get in there. I know, it's so beautiful. So there it is. It's the Atlantis Zeolite Crystal Bath Bomb. And it's got the beautiful sparklies. There's oil and sparkles, so you get the nice moisturizing oils of coconut oil. And then some micas for the sparkles. And if you can really look deep, the sparkles go deep. They go deep. I almost don't want to pull the plug because I don't want to waste it, but I don't feel like having a bath right now either. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, this was my first attempt. I think I did all right. A little less oil next time, and other than that, Bob's your uncle. All right, over and out.